Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system for the 2018 through 2022 and likely beyond BMW X3 with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail foot pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo load bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now, these parts of the fit kit have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet, and those numbers will help with the installation. And I'll demonstrate the installation on one of the feet. So first I'll take off the outer cover. With that cover removed, you can see we have a threaded post. When you're installing these parts of the fitting kit, they have the numbers, but they also have letters which will help in the order of the installation, starting with the letter A, which is the first part to be installed. And then B is the base pad. That's the second part to be installed by pressing to the underside of the foot. C is the outer bracket, and that just connects to the inside, and the threaded fastener just holds those parts in place. The next step would be to install the foot onto the load bar, and here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This bar we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track that runs along the top of the bar, which is accessed by opening the end cap. And that allows you to slide in the approved hardware between the 2 pieces of rubber, giving you a very clean, integrated method of attachment for approved carriers. Now we can go ahead and take off this end cap, and here you'll see there is another slot on the underside of the bar, and within that slot is a measuring device here. That measuring device has numbers. These numbers are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those numbers to help in centering the load bars on the vehicle. Now we'll go ahead and slide the foot into the bar, and next it's a good idea to go ahead and put the end cap back on the end of the bar. That'll help to keep the foot from slipping off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering it around the vehicle during installation. Now, Thule includes a tool with the foot pack to tighten the barrel fastener here, and when you're tightening that, it will tighten the brackets to the side rail and tighten the foot to the load bar simultaneously. Now, this tool has a unique feature in that the handle will click once it's reached full tightness. And now you know it's been tightened completely. So on the underside of the bar, you'll notice we do have some exposed slot. That should be filled in with rubber that's provided with the load bars. That rubber is just cut to measure to fill in that gap and to maintain your good airflow on the underside of the bar. Now we can go ahead and put the outer cover into place by snapping that on. There's a plastic plug. Just give that a quarter turn to hold that cover in place. You do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule lock cylinder. They're sold in match sets so that you can have all of your feet all key matched, and you can buy a set large enough in order to not only key match your roof rack, but also accessories that you may have locked up to the roof of the vehicle, and that allows you to use one key for the convenience of one key access for all your carriers and accessories and base roof rack system. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail base roof rack system. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.